Hey guys, and welcome to another video of Sparkplug. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to wrap a wire or a coil around any object like that. Irrespective of the shape and size of the object, you can wrap a coil around it with this method. So let's get started. So the first thing, let's make a object. So let me just draw flower pot like a structure. I'm not assuming any dimension, it is just random. So yeah, let me just hold on a second. Yeah. Now let's just close this figure so that we can revolve it around this axis. So go to create, go to revolve, click on this, choose axis as this and press OK. Now as you can see that our object is made. So the next step is to draw a helix. So go to sketch, helix. If you don't have helix option in your Fusion 360, you can download the helix generator. I have earlier made a video on how to get your helix generator. You can check up the video from the link in the description. So go to helix and choose the bottom plane of the pot. So I have chosen the bottom plane and you know that the height of the flower pot is around 100 mm. So here's the resolution and here's the pitch. So what I'm going to do is I will take the pitch as -10 so that it can be on the positive side of the pot. So now let's just increase the revolution to say 10. Yeah. So here the number of resolution describes the number of coils or the number of wrapping you want to use. So the second thing is here we will use construction of two helix. The first one will be of minimum radius. That means the radius of the helix should be such that it gets inside the object completely. So let's make the radius say 10 mm. Yeah, now you can see the helix is inside the object completely. Now remember all the dimensions and press OK. Now again go to sketch, go to helix, repeat the same process, click on this, make the pitch as -10 and revolution as 10. Now this time the radius should be large enough so that it consumes the whole object. So increase the radius say up to 35 mm. Let's make it 40. Yeah, now you can see that the helix is outside the body and press OK. Now we have constructed two helix. Now for a while just hide the body. Now what you have to do is just you have to draw a line from the bottom of the first helix or the inner helix to the bottom of the outer helix. For this, switch on to the switch on to the top plane. As you can see, the point is up here. So draw a line from the bottom point of the helix towards the bottom point of the outer helix, but make sure do not join the point, just up to here and press OK and just stop the sketch. Now you can see we have created a line from the point of the inner helix towards the outer point of the outer helix. And so now what we have to do is go to switch to patchwork space, go to create, go to swipe command and make sure you have selected the type as path plus guided rail. So select the profile as the line you have used to join both the helixes, and the path will be the inner helix and the guided rail will be the outer helix. So wait for your system to respond and press OK. Now you can see we have created this, I don't know what to call this. So just bring back the body which we have hidden earlier and go to modify, go to trim. Now it will ask you about the trim tool. Select the side face of the body as a tool, and then just trim the body by clicking on this surface and press OK. Now if I just hide the body, you can see that it has taken the form of the body. Now what we have to do is go to sketch, go to project and go to include 3D geometry. Choose whatever plane you want and click on this. So what it will do, it will create a 3D sketch of the body. Now just unhide the body and you can see we have the 3D sketch of the body. Now just delete the inner helix by clicking and press on delete and the outer connecting lines. Now you can see we have only remains of the outer helix. Now if I just bring back the body, you can see the helix, it completely occupies the circumferential area of the body. So now what we have to do is just hide the body for a while and go to models page, switch back to the models page, go to create and click on pipe. It offers you 3 section view, the circular, square and the triangular. If you want your manual wrapping shape, you can go to construct and use the plane along path to generate a path. So just go to pipe, select this path, and the section, it will ask you about the section size. Make the section size as 2, let's say 2, yeah, and let's make it, I think 5, yeah, 5, it seems to be good, and press OK. Now if I just bring back the body, you can see that the coil wraps the body completely. You can use the combine tool to make sure that they combines and press OK. Now just go to appearance, choose whatever appearance you like for the body. You can, now you can see I have made some appearance, so it looks quite good as compared to earlier. So hope you guys will like the video. Please comment your queries and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for continuous updates on my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.